Okay, here we have this question. First, we are given a table, and the t right here represents the number of years after 2005, right here. And the d right here represents the total US debt. And notice that we are talking about billions of dollars, right? So, here is the question. We are going to evaluate this expression, and we also have to interpret the result, and we have to write it down what it means, right? So, here we go. Right here, when we have to find out f of 5, well, right here it says d is equal to f of t, right? So right here, this d is the same as f of t. It's the output. So when we have 5 as the input, the output is that. So I'll just write that down for you guys. Namely, we have 13,561.6 billions, right? And then minus f of 2, we are talking about, when t is 2, we are talking about this. So we have 9007.7 and divided by 5 minus 2, which of course is 3, right? And of course, you can just go ahead and just work that out, and you end up with, let me just tell you guys, 1517.97. And this is just approximation because it actually keeps on going forever, so I'll just say it's approximately, right? And first, I'll give you guys, we're talking about dollars, so here's the unit for that, and per year. So I'll just write this down for you guys, all right? Now, we have to interpret what this means. So we have to just kind of write a sentence or so to relate this to our original scenario. Here, we are talking about the number of debts, right? And as you can see, every year right here, the debt is going up, and up, right? So here is how we are going to interpret this. Remember, this expression represents what? Average rate of change, right? This is the average rate of change, right? So when we're talking about this right here and we get that, we have to mention on average, so and so. So I'll just tell you guys the following. On average, and I'll just say, because we're talking about the US debt, so I'll just say the US debt is, this right here is positive, so that means it's increasing. So I will just say it's increasing. And of course, we have to mention the rate, right? So I'll just say at the rate of this, which is, I'll just say 1517.97. This right here, dollar, but it's billion, right? So billions. Don't forget it's about billions per year. Right, I'm just writing this down in words. And again, this D right here, they are in billions. So you have to write down the word billion for this. So on average, the US debt is increasing at the rate of 1,517.97 billion per year between, and we have to also mention about what year are we talking about. Right here, when we are talking about when t is equal to 2, you see, 2 right here means 2 years after 2005. So this right here, it's actually the same as saying 2007, right? And then likewise, when you have the 5 right here, go ahead and just add the 5 to that. So we have 2010. So let me actually just write it down higher for you guys. This is 2010. Yep. All right. So I will just have to write this down between 2007 to 2010. Just like this. And that's it. And again, remember that you have to actually just, of course, compute this and then also write a sentence or so to explain what the number means, right? So that's it.